Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the 4-lane road reconstruction and expansion of the Abia Tower to Onuimo road. This is Umuahia in Umuahia South local government area of Abia State. This road was previously a double-lane road, but the government of Abia State decided to reconstruct the road and expand it into a 4-lane dual carriage, road. This road starts from, if you are coming from Imo State, it starts from the Onuimo side. Immediately you cross the Imo River, that's where it starts, and it ends in Abia Tower. Then if you are traveling from or coming from Umuahia, you're going to start from Abia Tower and then you end, just very close to the bridge. So guys, watch this video down to the end for you to see how far they have come with the reconstruction of this road. For me, it looks like they are at the stone base level, and for me, I think before you know it, this road will be done. The reconstruction of this road, will be concluded. So you can see I don't know what this is actually called, but they use it to demarcate or divide the road into two. Now each section is going to be two lanes in this section and two lanes in the other section. This area or this side you are seeing is called Umuahia. Umuahia is should I say, boundary community in Abia State, because after Umuahia you cross the Imo River and then you get yourself in Imo State. So they share boundary with Imo State. So I'm going to go down to Abia Tower, and in front of me you will see where they are working, where the engineers, the workers, the heavy duty machines, where they are actually working. So watch this video down to the end to see what is going on in the other end, the Abia Tower end of the road. So could this road be asphalted before Christmas? I don't know. If you know, you can tell us in the comment section. So this is what you are likely to see, or even more, when you come back home for Christmas. I just hope that the road will be delivered, this month, so that people can jollificate, use the road while they come back for Christmas. I don't know. Whichever time they also want to finish the road is good. The main thing is that the road, is under reconstruction and is nearing completion. When this road is done, there's going to be installation of street lights, solar powered street lights. The reconstruction and expansion of this road was very necessary, due to the fact that a lot of go slow that happens here during festive season, like Christmas. A lot of people coming back to Abia State before, when they get to Umuahia, the go slow they meet there is something else. But with this reconstruction and expansion, is going to decongest the road. It's going to ease traffic and the rest of them. People that are also doing business can now drive within few minutes from Umuahia to Malaysian markets across the Imo River. Another thing is that since it's the entrance to the state capital, it needed to be very okay, not narrow and looking just anyhow. So yeah, it's nice that they are reconstructing this road. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. The Onuimo to Abia Tower road reconstruction is a 5.95 km dual carriageway project in Abia State, Nigeria, which was flagged off by the Executive Governor, His Excellency Dr. Alex Choma Oti, on December 4th, 2024, that's last year. The project is part of the state's City Gate initiative to improve entry points and is expected to be completed in 18 months. Key features include drainage systems and solar-powered street lights. The project aims to boost local economies and create jobs. The construction company that is handling this project, it was the same company that handled the Agui Ironsi Boulevard. They are known as Craneburg Construction Company. It's a reputable company that has constructed good solid roads all over the country. The reconstruction and expansion of this road is part of the plan to revamp the state's road network and improve its aesthetics.